Today we are doing my first ever solo cover shoot for a magazine, a little one called WWD. Really, really cool. It's in partnership to announce my partnership with Naturalizer. And of course I have my glam girlies here with me.
Hello.
My Ellie and Val.
Hello.
To do this special moment. And I'm excited. It's my first ever solo cover shoot. So I always went on my YouTube to remember these moments. Woke up at 6:15 today to get into the office by 7 a.m. It is a Monday and I'm excited. We're shooting it at the office today. Luke, it's giving Elwood's, it's giving youthful chic, but still cover shoot. I don't know. It's giving I feel great.
Yeah, it's so.
So that is a wrap on my first ever solo cover. It's really cool to do it in the office. It feels like a moment, and to have it with all of our campaign imagery behind us. Shout out to Mac, our art director, for her desk being so pretty of a backdrop. And it was just really exciting. I'm excited for the launch party next week. It'll be so great. The shoot is over, and I used to be a person who, like, after I have these shoots and my glam is done, I'm like, I guess I need to make evening plans. But nope, your girl's tired. I came home, I ordered sushi, I have therapy in a few hours, and then I'm gonna go to bed early because it's gonna be a very long week, and I woke up at 6 a.m. for the shoot today. That's a Monday in my life. And then we do it again the next day, which I'll go into the office tomorrow for a day of meetings. That's my Monday. Rise and shine. I'm at home with my trainer G. We are doing a workout, starting my day like this because it makes me a sane human. Now I've showered and changed, put on different workout clothes because LA. And now I'm heading into our office. We just had our weekly Hughes meeting, but actually today, sorry about the ankle, I'm trying to get in my car. Today was actually a monthly Hughes meeting where we did a deep dive on what worked this last month, what didn't work, and discuss like the learnings involved. And now I'm going to the office to have some in-person meetings, so I'll see y'all when I get there. Somehow it's 3:30 and I forgot to do vlogging, but welcome to the lit tinted office. We have a cute balcony back here that we want to throw parties at, and we said we would at some point. I had a lunch meeting with my friend who works at Instagram, just had a content meeting with Ethel, and now we're heading over to the PD team. You can say it and I'll do a beep.
Oh, okay. So this is for the. So these are the shades that we submitted.
Yeah.
Right? And so we're picking flavors because we need to get these so we get submissions so you can look at them and you can experience what it's going to experience like in store.
Yeah, that's really yummy. Oh, I would be licking it all up.
Yeah, that one's a good one.
It's good. Interesting.
Or
some
like
interesting stuff coming. It's really hard to vlog while you're doing your job, just FYI. Happy Wednesday. I don't know if I concluded the vlog yesterday. Sorry, I tried. I'm trying to show you all my life while also having and doing my life. I am heading into the office right now. I am doing a shoot with Rent the Runway. So I'm starting my day doing that content. And then I'm gonna go speak at a panel. And then there's a few other meetings I have. And that's gonna be the day. See y'all at the office. We are trying to decide which of these two looks from Rent the Runway I should wear for the shoot that I'm doing with them, and then which one I should wear for the panel I'm doing today. This is giving panel.
Super panel.
Yeah. Okay, so let's plan to do these two.
We don't know. What are your thoughts on this? That's what I said.
I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I need nipple feces, but I'm obsessed. I just feel like this is so my vibe. I would wear this to weddings.
Yes.
give us a little twirl.
I love it for life, but I still like the other two more.
I mean, yeah.
Agreed.
My thought is, which outfit do we do first that like whatever hair for that you could easily, like, is it up and then you just take it down for the next one? To my fitting room, AKA the printing room.
She's ready.
In the green, I'm obsessed. I need all of this for Europe this summer. Oh my god.
Just another casual day at the office.
Casual.
Can you see the clips though? Or is it possible to put? No, that's not.
All right, so Rent the Runway sent this too, and I'm obsessed with it, so I'm going to wear it to the panel I'm doing with Glossy. I think they're calling it Glossy Pop, and it is at the London in West Hollywood, so I'm heading there now. I'm wearing another pair of Naturalizer shoes, which I'm obsessed with. They're just hands down, I'm not just saying this because I'm collaborating with them, hands down the most comfortable heels I've ever worn in my life. Also, Val crushed it on the hair. I think this is my new hair identity. What do y'all think?
Deepica Mutyala, founder of Live Tinted.
And this was 2015. That got 10 million views, so I quit my job and went into this, as one does, right? Shame around being called an influencer, but I think it was more to do with my family and culturally, and when I quit my job, being a beauty executive, and then saying I'm an influencer and I do YouTube videos. And I think that's why doing the Today Show, I was so excited, because I was like, oh, well, at least they can tell their friends they saw me on TV. And that is a wrap. All right, now I have a dinner tonight with my friend Kushbu at Uchi, but I'm gonna go enjoy that dinner and not worrying about posting it on the vlog. So productive, good day, and I will see you on my Thursday. Bye. It is officially Thursday, and I did not vlog anything because Thursdays are my meeting days, and they are back to back to back to back, literally from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. And I realized I can't show half of that stuff. And also, half of the team does not want to be on the camera, which I totally understand. But yeah, I feel like you guys got an idea of my week. There's no real routine except for I have like scheduled meeting days versus like content days, but such is life of an entrepreneur. I hope you guys enjoyed watching a little sneak peek and BTS of my life, and let me know in the comments below if you want to see more vlogs. All right, peace.